Hello guys, welcome to a whole new video. Look at this, what happened outside. I mean, isn't it nice, right? First snow this year in this little town. I mean, it's quite nice to be fair. It is quite nice.
Patrone trianda evo non țară naști te iube
Making myself a little coffee. Yes. Hello. I'm getting, bearded up again. So we need to cut that soon. And yes, I'm getting fat again. I mean, when I'm having beard, I look fat, and when I'm shaved, I look skinnier. Or is it when I'm shaved, I'm not eating that much? Well, I don't know, guys. We're progressing with Python. We are on the way. Soon we're gonna have first lesson. So when that's gonna be coming up, I'm gonna update you with that. I'll try to record some of it so you see like how is it going. I mean, like there's gonna be the class, and the teacher, and I think it's gonna be through like Zoom or Microsoft Teams or something like that. So yeah, and I'm looking for a flat, and there's some business in Prague going on with one guy, Carl, and it's about marketing and that. So he said he's gonna like get me into this business. So I received some documents, I received some things, and so I'm gonna have to relocate to Prague eventually because of the job as a programmer or as a job with like the marketing agency. So things are moving, I mean, this year has been fucking worst for me and the best at the same time, because the worst in the terms of me going to job or making money, and the best in the terms of realizing what I need to do and progressing like in my life, about realizing what I need to do and not wasting time in a 9-to-5 job. But big thanks to Martina, for supporting me, and when I'm having the millions, and I will have the millions. I told you in the first episode like 2 months ago or a month and a half, I don't know when I start this channel. And yeah, so we're gonna make it, and you are on the journey with me. And it's actually, I know it's kind of repetitive and it takes long, but I'm starting the course for the Python, so that's a programming. I'm eventually gonna be moving to Prague. I'm looking for a flat, so I'm not drinking. Well, so it is actually progress. I'm not training, so that's like one minus for me, because when I started to do these videos, I was training a lot. Well, a lot. Every day I did post it to the videos. Now I stopped because I know it's just, I don't feel like it's just like, it's pathetic, but it is what it is. I can't do 100 things at the same time, so it is what it is. So my water is now finished. I'm gonna make myself coffee. I'm gonna practice the Python. That's my exercise now. I'm practicing the Python. I'm doing the Udemy online course, which I am like at the 60th episode, 60th from like 250, and I have like only 1 week to finish that, so I need to crack on a lot. But yeah, so see you in the next one, guys, and let me know in the comments what you need to know, or what should I post, what should I record, and what should I do. And yeah, As you can see, I started to post short videos because there's a huge potential of views and getting more subscribers to this channel. So peace out, and as usual, escape the matrix, guys. No, it is what it is, you know. Frankie Avalon. The fuck was that?